Hey guys, it's Charlie with Metalworks with a quick update on the 55. It's just a quick video here. Joe's spent most of his time filling in and smoothing out the cowl vent, as well as mocking up a bunch of accessories inside the car, primarily the air conditioning. So I'll give you some footage of some of that progress. And thanks for checking in. We'll talk to you guys again real soon. Take care.
At night on a Wednesday on May 11th, an Australian diplomat in this London pub. Downer at the time, the story goes, Downer hears from
Hey guys, so we can see the dash of the 55. Joe's got the steering column and the gauge bezel mocked up, and he worked on, you can see it there, the vintage air box is mounted up underneath the dash. Then he's got these factory style AC vents cut into the dash. Of course, he keeps everything wrapped in plastic. Wrapped in tape to protect them during the mock-up so they don't get scratched up, because these are all polished components and chrome components. So that's where we are right now. So thanks for checking in. I'll keep bringing you more videos of progress on the 55. Take care.